Hi. Hello. Can you hear me? Okay. Can you see me? Okay. So let's start. Hi. Hello. My name is Teacher Bell. What's your name? Oh, you're Vinny. Hi there, Vinny. Nice to meet you. Can you shake hands with teacher like this? Come on, shake hands. Okay, good job. So now let's start our lesson. And our lesson for today is all about, can all birds fly? Okay, let's find out. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, look, Beanie. There are so many animals in the pictures. Now, Beanie, can you name them all? Okay, let's start. What animal is this? It is a Yes, it's a monkey. Very good, Beanie. And how about this one? It's a tiger. Yes. And how about this one? Yes, it's a giraffe. And how about this one? Oops. Yes, it's a elephant. Elephant. Okay, good job. And how about this one? Yes, it's a dog. And how about this one? It's a Yes, it's a cat. And last one, what animal is this? Yes, it's a bird. Good job, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you an ice cream. Good job, Beanie. Do you like ice cream, Beanie? Oh, yes. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, look. What bird is it? Okay, can you say a magpie? Come on. A magpie. Okay, good job, Vinny. So, what bird is it? It is, come on, it is a magpie. Okay, good job, Vinny. So now let's go to our next slide. Oh, look and say, this, come on, this is a magpie. Come on. Again, this is a magpie. Okay, good job, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you a candy. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, now, Beanie, how many magpies are there? Okay, let's count. One. Okay, follow me. One. Okay. Two. We have two magpies. Good job, Beanie. Okay, how many magpies are there in the picture? Yes, it's a two magpies. Good job. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, look, there are so many magpies now. Beanie, can you say magpies are birds? Okay, good job. Magpies are birds. Okay, good job, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you a star. Okay. Now let's go to our next slide. Oh, look, Beanie, and click and find all the magpies. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, Beanie, click all the magpies. Okay. Oh, wow. One. Next. Two. Another one. Three magpies. Okay, so do we have another magpies? Yes, okay. So we have here. Oh, oops, click it. Okay, good job. And another one is here. Okay, so how many magpies are there, Beanie? Okay, let's count. Okay, one. Come on, follow teacher. Two, three, four. Oops, four and five. 5. Okay, good job, Beanie. So, how many magpies are there? Yes, we have 5. Good job, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, look again, Beanie, and say, okay, magpies are birds. Come on, say it. Magpies are birds. Okay, good job. Magpies can fly. Okay, say it. Magpies can fly. Fly. Okay, very good, Beanie. Our next slide. Oh, look. Look. What bird is it? It is a penguin. Very good, Beanie. What bird is it? It is a penguin. Good job. Okay, now let's go to our next slide and look and say, this is a penguin. Come on. This is a penguin. Okay, good job, Beanie. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, look again and let's count. How many penguins are there? Okay, now let's count. Follow teacher. 1, come on. 1 and 2. How many penguins are there, Beanie? Yes, we have 2 penguins. Very good, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you a job well done, sir. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, there are so many penguins. Okay, look. So, can you say penguins are birds? Come on. Again, penguins are birds. Okay, very good, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, look, Beanie. Now, Beanie, let's find the correct penguin swing. Okay. So now, can you drag the picture here? Is it the correct penguin swing? Yes, no, it's not. How about this one? Oh, yeah, it's a no too. And how about this one? Oh, are they matched, Beanie? Yes, they are matched. So that is the correct penguin swing. Very good, Beanie. Let's go to our next slide. Okay, look again, Beanie, and say, penguins are birds. Come on. Penguins are birds. Okay, very good. Next one. Penguins cannot fly. Come on. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, good job. And because of that, I will give you an ice cream. Okay, good job, Beanie. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, look, let's wrap up, Beanie. Okay, so now can you say magpies and penguins are birds? Come on, magpies and penguins are birds. Okay, good job. Now, Beanie, can you say magpies can fly? Come on. Magpies can fly. Okay. And last one, can you say penguins cannot fly? Okay. Good job, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you a star. Okay. Now let's go to our next slide. Oh, how many balloons are there? Yes, we have 4. Okay, now can you click the number 1 balloon? Click, click. Okay, we have a question here. Now, Beanie, can penguins fly? Can penguins fly? Yes. No, yes. Very good, Beanie. Now, let's go to our next slide. Oh, are magpies birds? Yes, very good, Beanie. Oh, now, Beanie, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Oh, you don't know? Okay, so that's all, and let's end our class. So goodbye, Beanie. Okay, goodbye. See you again tomorrow. Bye.